OpenAI, a name that resonates with the very essence of technological advancement and human ingenuity. Founded with a vision to push the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can achieve, OpenAI has become a cornerstone in the world of AI research and development, a name synonymous with innovation. In their state-of-the-art labs, some of the brightest minds in the field come together to explore, create, and innovate. These labs are not just places of work, they are the birthplaces of groundbreaking ideas and revolutionary technologies, a beacon in the world of artificial intelligence. OpenAI's contributions have illuminated the path forward, guiding the way for future advancements. Their work is not just about creating smarter machines, it's about redefining the relationship between humans and technology. From the depths of their digital workshops, they have birthed creations that speak, write, and even dream in code. These digital artisans craft algorithms and models that can understand and generate human-like text, bridging the gap between man and machine. ChatGPT, a marvel of language, stands as a testament to their ingenuity. This AI language model has transformed the way we interact with machines, making conversations with computers more natural and intuitive than ever before. It is a tool that has found applications in countless fields, from customer service to creative writing. It's a testament to the power of human imagination, harnessed and amplified through the brilliance of AI. The fusion of human creativity and machine learning has opened up new realms of possibility, allowing us to solve problems and create experiences that were once the stuff of science fiction. But OpenAI's journey is not confined to the digital realm. Their ambitions extend beyond the virtual world into the realm of physical robotics. Engineers and researchers are working tirelessly to bring AI into the physical world, creating robots that can interact with their environment and assist humans in new and meaningful ways. They cast their gaze upon a new horizon, a new frontier. The future they envision is one where AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, enhancing our capabilities and enriching our experiences. This vision drives them to constantly push the envelope, to explore uncharted territories in AI research. A world where intelligence transcends the screen and takes physical form. OpenAI is not just building smarter machines, they are building a smarter world. A world where AI and humans coexist, collaborate, and thrive together, creating a future that is brighter and more intelligent than ever before. OpenAI's fascination with robotics is not new. It's a path they've tread before, exploring the intricate dance between data and movement. Their early forays into this domain, though met with challenges, provided invaluable lessons. Now, with renewed vigor and unwavering determination, they return to the realm of robotics. They are driven by a vision of a future where intelligent machines work alongside us, extending our reach and amplifying our capabilities. Whispers travel through the corridors of technology, rumors of a new endeavor, shrouded in secrecy yet brimming with potential. OpenAI, the whispers claim, is developing humanoid robots. Robots that walk among us, learn from us, and perhaps even teach us. These robots, if brought to life, could reshape our world. Imagine them assisting in our homes, caring for the elderly, or working tirelessly in factories. The possibilities are boundless, limited only by the scope of our collective imagination. OpenAI's foray into robotics is unlikely to be a solitary one. It will likely involve collaborations, partnerships, and perhaps even acquisitions. Existing robotics companies, with their expertise in hardware and mechanics, could become integral parts of OpenAI's grand vision. This interconnected web of innovation has the potential to accelerate progress. It's a testament to the power of collaboration, where diverse minds converge to solve complex challenges and push the boundaries of what's possible. Section 5. A Symphony of AI. OpenAI's true strength lies not just in robotics, but in their mastery of artificial intelligence. Their language models, which are capable of understanding and generating human-like text, have revolutionized the way we interact with machines. These models are not just tools, they are the building blocks of a new era of intelligent systems. By leveraging vast amounts of data, OpenAI has created algorithms that can perform tasks previously thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. Their algorithms that mimic the human mind, learning and adapting with each interaction, are at the forefront of this technological revolution. These algorithms are designed to understand context, nuance, and even emotion, making them incredibly versatile and powerful. These advancements could breathe life into robots, transforming them from simple machines into entities that can interact with the world in meaningful ways. Imagine robots that can not only perform tasks but also understand the intent behind them. Imagine robots that understand our words, interpreting not just the literal meaning but also the subtleties of human communication. These robots could follow complex instructions, engage in conversations, and even provide emotional support. Robots that learn from our actions, observing and mimicking human behavior to improve their own performance. This continuous learning process would enable robots to become more efficient and effective over time. Robots that adapt to our ever-changing world, capable of handling new and unforeseen challenges with ease. They would be able to switch between tasks seamlessly, making them invaluable in a variety of settings, from homes to workplaces. These robots would not be mere automatons, but intelligent collaborators, working alongside humans to achieve common goals. They would assist in complex tasks, provide insights, and even take on roles that require a high degree of autonomy. Capable of complex problem-solving and independent thought, these robots would be able to make decisions on their own, analyze situations, and come up with innovative solutions. They would be more than just tools. They would be partners in our quest for progress. They would be a testament to the boundless potential of AI, showcasing advanced capabilities that push the boundaries of what is possible. These robots would be at the forefront of AI-driven innovations, leading the way into a future where technology and humanity coexist in harmony. A symphony of software and hardware working in perfect harmony, these intelligent systems would represent the pinnacle of human achievement in artificial intelligence. Together, they would create a world where the line between man and machine is beautifully blurred, each enhancing the other in a continuous dance of progress. Section 6, where imagination takes form. The vision of OpenAI's humanoid robots extends beyond their functionality. It's about aesthetics, about creating machines that are not just efficient, but also appealing. The influence of Disney Pixar, with its vibrant colors, expressive characters, and captivating storytelling, is evident in this vision. Imagine robots that are not cold and metallic, but approachable and engaging. Robots that evoke a sense of wonder and delight, seamlessly blending into our lives and capturing our imaginations. Section 7. A world transformed. The advent of OpenAI's humanoid robots has the potential to transform our world in profound ways. Industries could be revolutionized, with robots taking on dangerous or repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers for more creative and fulfilling endeavors. Our homes could become smarter and more responsive, with robots assisting with daily chores, providing companionship, and enhancing our overall quality of life. The possibilities are as limitless as the human imagination itself. Section 8. A universe of potential. OpenAI's venture into humanoid robotics is a testament to the indomitable spirit of human innovation. It's a reminder that the future is not something to be predicted, but something to be created. It's a call to action, an invitation to dream big and to push the boundaries of what's possible. The future is not predetermined. It's a canvas upon which we, with our creativity, our ingenuity, and our unwavering belief in progress, can paint our dreams into reality. Section 9. The future unfolds. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, we are filled with a sense of wonder and anticipation. The dawn of a new age brings with it the promise of unprecedented advancements and the thrill of the unknown. Each sunrise symbolizes a fresh start, a new opportunity to push the boundaries of what we know and venture into uncharted territories. The collective hope and excitement of humanity are palpable as we gaze towards the horizon, eager to see what lies ahead. What will the future hold? This question has intrigued and inspired generations. Will we see flying cars, cities that float on water, or perhaps even colonies on distant planets? The possibilities are endless, and the potential for innovation is boundless. As we peer into the crystal ball of tomorrow, we can only imagine the incredible advancements that await us. The future is a canvas, and we are the artists, ready to paint it with the colors of our dreams and aspirations. What wonders will OpenAI and its collaborators unveil? Only time will tell. The fusion of human creativity and cutting-edge technology promises to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. From groundbreaking scientific discoveries to the development of intelligent machines, the future is being shaped by the brilliant minds of today. The innovations we witness will not only enhance our lives, but also redefine the very essence of what it means to be human. But one thing is certain: the journey will be filled with excitement, discovery, and the boundless possibilities of human imagination. As we embark on this adventure, we will encounter challenges and triumphs, moments of doubt and bursts of inspiration. The spirit of exploration and the drive to push beyond our limits will guide us through the unknown. Whether it's the curiosity of a child tinkering with a robot, or the determination of an explorer charting new paths, the essence of human ingenuity will light our way. Let us embrace this future with open arms, ready to explore the uncharted territories of technological advancement and to witness the transformative power of human ingenuity. Together, we will build a world where dreams become reality, where innovation knows no bounds, and where the spirit of collaboration drives us towards a brighter, more prosperous future. The journey ahead is a collective one, and with unity and determination, there is no limit to what we can achieve. The future unfolds before us, and it is ours to shape.